You know, the good thing about this notice is that counties are concerned. They have been calling, they have been coming. That is a first step. I think this is positive. But you know, we have a team that will be analyzing all this. You bring your documents, we bring ours, we verify, and then now you tell us how this is going to be paid. Because disbursement will be entirely, we just ring-fence these, and we want 50% or close to 50% to go to payment of pending bills. And quite a number of them are in they're accepting. They have accepted that this to be paid, and they have a program for it. But we have not made any decision. We only heard them, but we are going to decide how this is going to. Some even are asking for opportunity for an advance. But the advance payment, we are telling them now if you have not paid, advance is an extra, pending bill. Yeah. So we say no, we don't want to go that way. But also don't forget, quite a number of these counties, they generate also their own resources. They have their own resources. Many of them, it's only inefficiency and lack of prudence in terms of managing this. But you also, in addition to this, now also what we have done, what we have also done before, although we will not publicize or will not engage, what we did like 2 months ago, there are a number of counties that don't pay taxes, including pay as you earn. They get money and they deduct, but then they don't remit. That's the one KRA has been chasing. Like one of the county I don't need to mention now, is that they owed about 4-point-something billion. And with the pressure, pay as you earn only. And with the pressure, they have been paying 1 billion the last 3 months. Additionally, what we have done, through Ndungu, who is the Director General in charge of accounting services, when we now release money to the county, it goes to 2 schedules. This is what we requested, and this is the amount of tax on it. And we give a copy to KRA. So by the time your money hits the account, the KRA is also now there. So through this we made a lot of improvement.